Hello and welcome to the Code Station, fellow coders and tech enthusiasts. Whether you are a beginner eager to embark on your coding journey or an experienced developer seeking advanced tips and tricks, software best practices, latest interview updates, this channel is one-stop destination for mastering the world of programming. We take you from the basics in web development to the latest in artificial intelligence, machine learning and many more. Our commitment is not just about coding. It's about understanding the why behind the code. We believe in teaching you the concepts that make you versatile and creative problem solver in the world of technology. And that's not all. We are not just a channel, we are a community of passionate learners. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and join us on the incredible journey of knowledge. Together, let's unlock the power of programming. Thank you and stay tuned to the Code Station. Don't forget to like, share this video to your loved fellow software enthusiasts. Until next time, happy coding. Bye bye.